Welcome to this tutorial on creating a fake LED light effect in CapCut PC. To start, go to the stock material and add a black background to the timeline. Next, import your clip and adjust its duration to match the black background. Select your clip, go to the Remove BG option, and choose Auto Removal. Wait for the background to be removed. Then scale the clip and make any necessary adjustments. Now head to the Text tab, add a default text, type underscores, rotate it 90, increase the font size, and adjust the uniform scale as needed. Move the text to the left side of the screen. Let's move on to creating the light effect. Go to Colors and set a keyframe at the beginning of the text. Progress a few frames, change the color, and repeat this process with different colors until you achieve the desired effect. Duplicate the text by copying and pasting it, overlay it on the upper layer, and position it on the other side of the screen. To make the light brighter, create a compound clip of both texts to successfully apply the glow effect. Once the compound clip is ready, go to Effects, search for Glow, and apply it to the two compound clips. Adjust the intensity of the glow effect as needed. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.